Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're making Akasan. It's a drink. You can have it cold or hot. It's one of the best breakfasts we could have in the morning in Haiti. So this is the flour that I'm using. So in your pot, add 5 cups of water, cinnamon sticks, star anise, and half teaspoon of salt. I will list all the ingredients and the measurement in the description box below. Be sure to check that out. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and add so we're making this a little bit different, not the traditional way, because we're not, we're gonna make things work. So in that water, I also added 2 cups of heavy cream. Yes, I did. And now we're gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of flour. So we're gonna do this while it's cold. The stove is not on yet, it's cold. We're gonna stir it, and we're gonna turn on the oven on low, and we're gonna keep stirring until it starts to thicken up. That will prevent it from getting lumpy. So we're doing this in cold water. So when we started, it will be cold, and then when you turn on the stove, you're gonna have the stove on low heat. Okay, low heat, and you're gonna keep stirring and stirring. Yeah, it takes a minute. Stir it for like a good 5-10 minutes. Keep stirring until it starts to thicken up. When you see it's thickened and then there's no lumps, then that's when you can go ahead and put your heat a little bit higher, on medium high, and then go ahead and let it cook. You see that it's starting to get thick, you can see, but make sure you do it slow and use a whisk instead, because I found that to be easier. It really helps preventing the lumps, so do that. But if you like lumps in your Akasan, that's cool. I ain't judging you. It's looking good, so keep stirring, you guys. Just keep stirring until it starts to bubbling up. So now go ahead, adjust your heat to medium high and cover it up and let it cook for 10 minutes. So after that 10 minutes passed, you see that it's cooked really good. We're gonna go ahead and add sugar, the milk, ground nutmeg. If you have pre-grounded nutmeg, go ahead, use that, but I am using my own whole nutmeg that I grounded. Go ahead and add all that stuff together and give it a stir and cover it. Let it simmer for another 7 minutes. So after it's simmered for that 7 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead now and add some pure vanilla almond extract. If you don't have almond extract, you can use vanilla extract. Go ahead and add that, and then give it another stir. And then let it cover it and leave it for like a minute or two. And then that's it. It's ready, you guys. This is it. This is the recipe. That's it. You can have it cold or hot. Either way, it's bomb with bread, of course. I hope you guys like this recipe. It was very quick and easy. It's bomb. It's really good. Give it a try. As always, thank you for watching. I will see you very soon in the next video.